The construction industry is seeing increasing interest in mass timber as a sustainable building material. However, its widespread adoption faces several challenges. In this video, we will explore the gaps in knowledge and experience, market perceptions, common myths and misconceptions, and the lack of standardization surrounding mass timber. Starting off with the lack of knowledge and experience. One of the primary obstacles is the lack of knowledge and experience surrounding mass timber. As a relatively new and unknown material in the construction industry, mass timber presents a steep learning curve for many professionals. There is a notable shortage of experienced workers who are well versed in its applications. This gap in expertise is made worse by the need for more training programs tailored to mass timber construction. Many architecture and engineering curricula are outdated and still focus on traditional building materials, which can leave students unprepared for the practical challenges of working with mass timber. Additionally, the scarcity of well-documented and detailed case studies makes it difficult for professionals to learn from past projects and apply best practices. Market perception also plays a significant role in the challenges faced by mass timber construction. Early design flaws in mass timber buildings have led to negative perceptions among contractors and insurers, who often overestimated risks associated with building mass timber buildings. The construction industry is also generally resistant to change, tending to favor traditional building materials over new technologies. However, high-profile projects like Mjøstårnet and Brock Commons have begun to shift this perception, demonstrating the potential of mass timber to deliver safe, innovative, and aesthetically pleasing structures. Several myths and misconceptions surround mass timber and contribute to its slow adoption. These include misunderstandings about the sustainability and environmental impact, forestry practices, cost effectiveness, structural considerations and building physics, durability and maintenance, as well as its versatility and aesthetics. Addressing these myths is crucial for fostering a more accurate understanding of mass timber's benefits and capabilities. After having gone over the challenges and limitations that face mass timber, we will be going over the myths and misconceptions. So subscribe to the channel so you don't miss those videos. Finally, the lack of standardization in mass timber construction presents significant challenges. There is a huge need for established design principles such as design for disassembly, as well as standardized manufacturing processes, assembly techniques, disassembly techniques, quality control measures, and testing and certification protocols. Without these standards, the industry struggles to ensure consistency and reliability in mass timber projects, which further hinder its adoption. So in conclusion, while mass timber holds great promise as a sustainable building material, overcoming these and other challenges is essential for its broader adoption in the construction industry. By addressing the gaps in knowledge and experience, improving market perception, dispelling myths, and establishing standardized practices, the potential of mass timber can be fully realized. Just like the mind map with all of the benefits of mass timber, we now also have a mind map with the challenges and limitations of mass timber. Go over to the TimberTalk Patreon page to become a member and download the mind map for free.
Stay informed, stay inspired. TimberTalk.